Frag family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have just a little quick thoughts about the Goldfield in Banks and the little collection I got with, I think it was like a gift to purchase or a gift to, girl, whatever. So we have Goldfield in Banks from Australia. This is an Australia brand. So we're going to get into these perfumes and see if it's doing what it needs to do. Okay, let's get into it. So first up, let's talk about Bohemian Lime, okay? To me, for Bohemian Lime, I think Bohemian Lime is very unisex. Like, definitely very unisex. I can see a woman, I can see a man wearing this. Now, I will say, this is not that fruity, patootie, fruity girl down the street. No. This is definitely very citrus with that lime, but to me, it's very heavy on the wood, okay? This is a very heavy woody scent. So if you like a little citrus, a lot of wood, then this is gonna be your jam. That's why I say this is definitely unisex. I can see this geared more towards the men folks than women liking it, but if your profile, you like a good woody, you like a good unisex type of fragrance, I can see you vibing with this. Definitely, I would absolutely recommend for you to get a test sample and see if it fits your vibes, okay? But to me, longevity in this wasn't massive, and maybe because I had a little tester, but either way, it wasn't really impactful. Like, it didn't announce my presence, but it was still very good. I can see this as a everyday fragrance, a very quick grab and go fragrance, definitely casual. I can definitely see this on casual days, something that is maybe not a full event. What is not full event? Anyway, not a event, you know, something very casual setting, casual day, you know, errand running, that type of thing. But again, I don't think this would be everyone's vibe. I will say that this is for a certain particular type of woman profile. Again, you have to like woody notes and lime, essentially, okay? So let's get into the notes. So we have finger lime, we have Haitian vetiver, we have bergamot, we have Moroccan cedar, Australian sandalwood, and coriander, okay? So again, a lot of woody notes. So you would definitely have to have a woody palette in your repertoire. Now, did you say, would I pick up Bohemian Lime? Would I add this to my wardrobe? No, this wouldn't be me. Like, I love a good sandalwood, but very heavy wood and citrus is not really my jam. I don't really vibe with that profile, but I feel like somebody would, because there's something for everyone. It just might not be me. Next up, I have Pacific Rock Moss, okay? And so when I saw that word moss, I was like, ooh, baby. Now you know me and moss, we don't always get along. But this is definitely aquatic. It's, to me, like a gritty, earthy, more aquatic fragrance, in my opinion. But don't let that turn you off. Do I think this is unisex? Yes, this is very unisex. I can see a man, I can see a woman wearing this. It just depends if you like an aquatic, gritty, earthy, kind of citrus, aquatic type of fragrance. If you like that profile, you know, you would definitely get along with this. This reminds me of, like, you know, not beach white sands, but definitely like ocean sands, gritty ocean water. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Now, I would add this to my collection. I would get the smaller of the bottle. I don't see me getting like a full large bottle. It just wouldn't be something I'd be like, yeah. But I could see this in my collection. This is definitely giving me very spicy, a fresh spicy, but this you would vibe well in the spring, summer. To me, I would think you get a lot more wears in that season than a winter, fall. Winter, fall, I would not be checking for this fragrance, but this is a particular profile. Like, I can't see everybody enjoying this or wearing this because of that earthy, grittiness that it's giving me with the aquatic. Again, I don't mind that because it just, it puts me in like realistic ocean vibes. And I think that citrus, profile that is doing in this, the citrus profile that is doing in this fragrance, it gets me like, okay, I'll check for you. I'll look. I might get a small bottle, but I probably would add you to my collection. Yeah, let's get into the notes. So notes, we have Italian lemon, sage, we have moss, we have Virginia cedar, and we have geranium. So definitely florals in this. We have citrus, okay? But that moss, that woody, that sage, which is kind of probably giving you a little bit of the freshness in this, or spiciness. But that's where this is taking me. So this wouldn't be top on my list, I will tell you that. I wouldn't run out and get it. But if I was looking to add a Goldfield and Banks to my collection, if I were to find a really good deal for the smaller bottle, yeah, I would definitely add this to my collection for sure. Yeah. And last but certainly not least, probably one of the most popular of the Goldfield and Banks that I have added to my wish list is the Sunset Hour. I know a lot of you all probably have this already. Lasting power, I think it would kind of be the same. Like, this does not announce my presence. Ooh, is this fruity and beautiful and citrus? Yes. Oh, it's so good. This is definitely me all day. Sunset Hour. It is fruity, it's sweet, it's citrus, it's not complex. You know what I'm saying? It's not like you don't have this in your collection, but you might want it in your collection like me. This is really pretty. So I definitely, out of all the fragrances that I've tried that were in this kind of collection, I really enjoyed the Sunset Hour more. Okay, so let's get into the notes. So notes, we have Quandong, we have Desert Peach, Raspberry, Cashmere Wood, Sandalwood, Mandarin Orange, Pink Pepper. We have Jasmine Sunback, we have Ginger, and Benzoin, okay? So a lot more notes that came in with this. We have Raspberry, we have Peach, right? We have all these fruity things, as well as a little Pink Pepper gives it a little spice. Now, I don't kind of get the spice a lot in this, and if I do, it's very well blended because you have pink pepper as well as ginger. And I'm not your ginger girl. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not the ginger girl. I'm not always raising my hand for ginger. I don't always have great experiences with ginger, but in this one, it's really blended well to perfection. It is really good. I can definitely see myself wearing this in the spring, summer. I can definitely see myself adding Sunset Hour to my collection. All right. Well, that's all, family, for my little, it's kind of my sneak peek into the Goldfield and Banks, okay, collection. This is coast to coast collection, okay? Let me know what you think, okay, about some of the fragrances that I've talked about. Do you have them? Are any of them on your wish list? I would love to know. Do you have some Goldfield and Banks that you love? Okay, because I adore Silky Woods. Like, there are some beautiful fragrances from this house that I absolutely adore. So I would love to know your thoughts. Comment down below, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.